I'm Frank Cooks, Managing Director of Ufloat, and today we assembled an expedition raft that will go down Yukon River later this year in July and August. It is a 7.2 meter long and 2.4 meter wide catamaran boat with polymer wood decking and aluminum frame. So today it took us about 3.5 hours to assemble a catamaran boat from scratch. The assembly is super simple. First, you align the pontoons. The pontoons have dovetail connection to make it easy to align them. Then you add the longitudinal rail beam that you can see there. Once that is done, check the drawing that is always supplied with your purchase. And then you can start adding cross beams. Our rail system uses a special kind of bolt that you drive into the rail, and then you simply put the cross member on top. It is very straightforward. It takes some time, but anybody can do it. Even if I can do it, anybody can do it. It could be your sunset boat to go out and watch sunset as we do now. You could build a sauna on it. You could build a small houseboat. If we are talking about the commercial market, then it is a super easy system to be used for example, construction work, bridge repair, any place where you can only work from the water. It is very simple to assemble, and this is also super simple to dismantle and put it in storage. I have been designing do-it-yourself pontoon boat systems for the past 8 years. As I go along, it is important for me to make the assembly more and more straightforward, easier on the customer. What I think is more interesting is that this boat will be packed in a container in about 2 weeks from now, and it will start its journey to Whitehorse, Yukon Territory, where a family from Berlin is getting their dream fulfilled, and they will take a 1,000-mile journey down Yukon River later this year.